Fly higher, capture in stunning 8K with Xiaomi Drone X226/X226VR. Looking for a professional drone that is modern, versatile, yet super easy to use? The Xiaomi Drone X226/X226VR is the perfect choice for you. Key features: professional 8K HD wide-angle camera, capture every scene in vivid detail and crystal clarity. Real-time Wi-Fi FPV transmission, watch your flight live on a large screen without missing a moment. Smart foldable design, easy to carry anywhere, from travel adventures to creative work. Powerful and stable RC helicopter control, master the sky with ease, even if you're a beginner. VR mode support, X226VR, experience an immersive cockpit-like flight view. Why choose the Xiaomi Drone X226/X226VR? Outstanding quality at an affordable price, advanced aerial technology made accessible. Perfect for filming, traveling, and exploring, capture breathtaking cinematic shots. Packed with intelligent flight features, auto hover, stable flight, and easy navigation. Special offer, get it now at an exclusive deal on AliExpress. Check it out at the product link in the video description. Description: New Xiaomi Drone X226/X226VR drones 8K Profession HD wide-angle camera Wi-Fi FPV RC helicopter large screen foldable quadcopter. Features: Model, X226/X226VR. Frequency, 2.4G. Battery for quadcopter, 3.7V 1800 mAh, included. Remote controller battery, USB charging. Flight time, 13 to 18 minutes. Charging time, 90 minutes. Color, gray. Camera options, 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K HD/2.4G Wi-Fi 6K per 2.4G Wi-Fi 8K. Description: V226VR brushless motor, with charging VR display with screen, electric adjustment camera, optical flow height setting function, dual camera switching, speed switching, headless mode, 6 channels with gyroscope, roll. V226 brushless motor, with 4.5-inch remote controller with screen, electric adjustment camera, optical flow height setting function, dual camera switching, speed switching, headless mode, 6 channels with gyroscope, roll. Accessories: 1 aircraft. 1 remote controller transmitter with screen/VR glasses plus remote controller without screen. 1 body battery. 1 memory card plus card reader. 1 USB cable. 1 screwdriver. 2 spare blades. 2 protective cases. 2 instruction manuals. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.